Hello, welcome guys. So today is Wednesday, 24th of July 2024. We'll be looking at the weekly market structure of BTC USD. We're going to be looking at the directions of the BTC USD currently. So currently, this is the weekly time frame of BTC USD, and as we can see the price is currently bullish. What do I mean, and why is price bullish? If you can observe, price has taken out this high. Price also took out this low, giving us what we call a break of structure here and another break of structure here, right? Also, price took out this high, right? Giving us another break of structure, right? Now, now what a lot of people will be expecting is for price to, actually take out this high, right? Or head down to these lows, right? This is the weekly time frame, the weekly view on BTC USD currently, right? So, what are we looking for? Now, in the weekly time frame, BTC is kind of like giving us this bullish structures, right? But if you look closely here, you can see that this high failed to take out this high as well failed to take out this high, and this high currently is failing to take out this high, right? So we're going to go to the lower time frame to have a clearer picture of what we're going to be looking for, right? So there were some trades I took, and I'm going to show us how I was able to arrive at my entries and all, right? So currently this is the daily time frame of BTC USD, and what do we see in the daily time frame? What do we see in the daily time frame looking at this particular region? Well, for me, I noticed the price is kind of like bearish here. What do I mean price is bearish here? After giving us bullish structures in the the weekly time frame, the price here is currently kind of like bearish. If you look well, you see that this low was taken out. There was a break of structure here. This low also was swept, was taken out. There's another break of structure here. But now price, just like in the higher time frame, the weekly time frame, we observed that this high failed to take out this high, right? This high also failed to take out this high. And this high currently is failing to take out these highs, right? So what do we want to see from what we are seeing here already? It's quite kind of simple because price is already giving us this kind of bearish structures already. So all we have to do is to keep going down to the lower time frame to see either a bearish structures to take out this low, or price take out this high. Last week Tuesday I analyzed BTC USD, and I expected price to take out this high. That was last week Friday when I analyzed BTC USD. I expected price to take out this high, and price took out this high aggressively currently, right? So price is taking out this high. So when price takes out a high, it's currently heading for a low. That's what I call liquidity to liquidity, right? That's what price does. When the price takes out a high, it goes for a low, right? So that's what we're expecting currently, because price is taking out this high. Is definitely trying to look for a low to take out, probably this low, or any other low it could possibly reach, right? So for us to get what we're looking for clearly, let's go again to the lower time frame. For us to get what we're looking for clearly, let's go to the 4-hour time frame, right? So currently this is the 4-hour time frame, and in the 4-hour time frame, it's giving us this look, right? It's giving us this bullish look, right? So you can see how price has impulsively moved from this region and broke structure here and continuing the trend. So price is currently trying to possibly take out this low. So last week I analyzed. I was able to catch some buys on BTC USD, just like I said, and let's view the reason for those buys, right? All right. So this was the first buy. I was able to catch this buy, and how was I able to catch this buy? I realized, right, that sorry about that. I realized that price has formed a bullish structure here, right? So I trade structures. I saw there was a break of structure here, right, making this low kind of like protected, right? And then I went to the lower time frame again, about 15 minutes thereabouts, to see it clearly, right? And I saw that there was what I call structural liquidity. Structural liquidity is the low before the main low when you're looking for buys. and then the high before the main high when you're looking for sales. So currently this is my structural liquidity. This is my low before the main low. So what price does most of the time is that price takes out the structural liquidity and then continue its movement or structure. But before that, there was also an order block that I reserved here. So price came down here, tap into this order block, and gave me this buy, right? So that was how I was able to catch this buy. I think about over 3 hours. Yes, over 3 hours. These are about 3.44 hours. I was able to, sorry, it's over that. It's over that because my SL was below that point to about 8 hours there about. I shared this with the community and yeah, I shared this with the community as well. So afterwards, there was another buy as well that I kind of like missed entry, or we kind of like missed entries rather. And how did we miss entry? Okay, so this was it. I realized again that price broke structure, right? So price broke structure here. This low was already taken out, right? Then price also broke structure here again, right? Taking out this high here. I also realized that there was what I call the same structural liquidity, which I expected price, to take out, tap into the other block here, which I believe is in the lower time frame, and then my target was here, this high, right? My overall target was this high. What did price do? We waited for this buy. It was posted in our community. We waited for this buy. In the lower time frame, there was a clear order block that was observed. I'm sorry about that. It's kind of like loading. So you can see the order block here. It's very clear. So I picked this order block. What I expected was price to come below here, take out our structural liquidity, then tap into this order block and give us the buy we're looking for. All right. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame. So in the 1 hour time frame, it's clear there. This is the 1 hour time frame. So what I expected was, for price to take out this structural liquidity and then give us this buy, reacting from this order block as well. So what did price do? Price failed. It would have been a very clean buy. It was posted in the community. We missed entry. Price didn't come to our order block. It didn't take our structural liquidity. It just went up straight from there. So we missed this particular buy as well, right? We observed also that why price missed this entry in the 1 hour time frame kind of like changed structure here, right? So what did price do? There was actually another trade that we executed, and it was posted in our community as well. We started looking for more of the sells. Why? Because clearly in the 1 hour time frame, price changed structures from being bullish to kind of like being bearish. I want to see BTC around let's say 65 471 thereabout, or probably around 63 250. Let's say 63 250 thereabout. So that was the target. But how did we come about what we are talking about? How we came about this was that if you look at this, you see what price did here. Price broke structure, right? It took out this low. So we saw there was a change in the market. We saw how price broke structure here. Price also broke structure here. So what are we expecting? Price to also break this structure, right? So that was how we started looking for sells. And for us to get these sells clearly, we can see it in the lower time frame. That's why it's always very good to make use of your lower time frame. So in the 15 minute time frame, we noticed I noticed my kind of like entry model. There was a break of structure here, right? There was a break of structure here. Also there was another break of structure here for the highs. Price now failed to break this structure, right? But what did price do? Price broke this structure, giving us what we call like a bearish move, right? So we positioned ourselves for possible sells. You can see how price reacted from here. Price tapped into this order block here and gave us this sell. That was the sell down here, right? Before this this whole scenario happened, we noticed our kind of entry model. We noticed that price gave us a break of structure here, and Sorry about that. Price gave us a protected high. So giving us this break of structure kind of like automatically make this high kind of like protected, right? Also give us what I call structural liquidity, right? Which is here. So it gave us a structural liquidity. So what was I expecting earlier today? I was expecting, price to tap in, take out this structural liquidity, tap into our order block here, and then sell off, right? And then sell off. And that was exactly what happened. That was exactly what happened. And it's currently, our target was this low, and price is currently heading to our, our target. So my stop loss was a little bit above it, and then I want the price to, target here. So currently we are in profit, and our full target is currently this low to be taken out around 65,450, right? So currently this is what we have on BTC/USD today. We're gonna keep monitoring the price action and keep looking for more possible sells, because the overall target in the higher time frame is actually for price to take out this low, right? Unless go otherwise, right? So the only way price we can start looking for more buys is when I see that price has changed structure, whereby price take out this high and then probably fail to take out a low, right? So we'll keep monitoring these and keep hoping for the best, and stay tuned for more updates from us. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you.